Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of Vocab with me, Anmol, in association with Ma Tutorials. Today we are continuing with 50 intermediate words of R. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Rabble, bheed, the rabble gathered outside the courthouse to protest. Racket, shorgul, the kids made a racket while playing in the house. Radiant, chamakdar, her face was radiant with joy. Resilient, lachila, sahinsheel, children are often more resilient than adults in handling stress. Rapport, apsi talmel, the teacher built a strong rapport with her students. Rapture, Anandunmad, she listened to the music in rapture. Ransack, lootpat karna, thieves ransacked the house looking for valuables. Rant, badabadana, he started to rant about the poor service at the restaurant. Ravage, tabah karna, the hurricane ravaged the coastal town. Rebuke, phatkar lagana, the teacher rebuked the student for teaching. Recoil, piche hatna, she recoiled at the sight of the snake. Reconvene, punaha ikattha hona, the board will reconvene after lunch. Recuperate, swasth hona, she took a few days off to recuperate from the flu. Redundant, anavashyak, his explanation was redundant and added nothing new. Reflective, Vicharsheel, he became reflective after reading the letter. Refuge, Sharan, the refugees found refuge in a nearby village. Regimen, near Mavali, he followed a strict diet and exercise regimen. Reiterate, bar bar dohrana, the teacher reiterated the instructions to the students. Ruse, chal dhoka, his disappearance was just a ruse to escape from the police. Remnant of Shesh, the remnants of the ancient temple still stand today. Renaissance, Punar Jagran, the city experienced a cultural renaissance in the 19th century. Repeal, Radd Karna, the government decided to repeal the outdated law. Repent, Paschatap Karna, he repented for his rude behavior towards his parents. Repress, Dabana, she tried to repress her emotions during the speech. Rescind, Nirast Karna, the government rescinded the controversial policy. Resonance, Gunj, his speech had a strong emotional resonance with the audience. Resourceful, Sansadhan Yukt, she was a resourceful leader who always found a way to solve issues. Respite, Viram, after hours of hard work, he finally got a respite. Retaliate, Pratishodh Lena, he retaliated against his opponent's harsh words. Reticent, Mithbhashi, he was reticent about his past experiences. Retrieve, Punha Prapt Karna, she managed to retrieve the documents from the old files. Reverence, Shraddha, the monks showed great reverence for their spiritual leader. Rhapsody, Bhavuk Kavita ya Sangeet, pianist played a beautiful rhapsody that moved the audience. Riddle, Paheli, she loved solving riddles in her free time. Rift, Darar, a misunderstanding caused a rift between the two friends. Rigorous, Kathor, the training program was rigorous and physically demanding. Riveting, Manmohak, the documentary was so riveting that I couldn't look away. Robust, Mazboot, he has a robust immune system that rarely lets him fall sick. Rotund, Gol Matol, the rotund cat lay lazily on the couch. Rubble, Malba, the earthquake reduced the town to rubble. Rudimentary, Prarambhik, he has only a rudimentary knowledge of French. Rueful, Dukhad, she gave me a rueful smile after realizing a mistake. Rummage, Chanbeen Karna, he rummaged through his closet to find his missing watch. Rustic, Dehati, the rustic charm of the village was truly captivating. Remorse, Paschatap, he felt deep remorse for hurting his friend's feelings. Rebuff, Thukrana, a Svikriti, his proposal for a partnership was met with a sharp rebuff. Recluse, Ekantvasi, after his wife's death, he became a recluse and rarely left his home. Recondite, Good, the professor's lecture was filled with recondite concepts. Revamp, Sudharna, Punarnirmana Karna, the company decided to revamp its website to attract more customers. Rehabilitate, Punarvas Karna, the government is working to rehabilitate drug addicts. That's that for this one. I shall see you in the next one.